Everyone, I'm an engineer Azam. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm coming with a great video. So let's get started without wasting time. So the first one is we have to follow the logic. Okay, here the logic has been used. So we have to follow the logic first. So this is a tricky logic. Okay, so here uh, 2 combine 2 plus 2, and then it would be 2 this combine, and the addition of these two will be 24. Then we have to follow the same trick here. 3 combine. So when you will encounter in MCQs, you don't need to write in this way. Okay, just you have to use your logic and mark the answer within 15 seconds. You can mark. So here I will let you know what exactly the logic is. So that's why I'm taking time to solve down this. So here, and this 3 combine 3 plus 3, then 30, these 3, and the addition of these 2 is 36. The same trick will be followed, okay, from top to bottom. Here 4 combine 4 plus 5, then 4, then addition of these 2, 9, 49. So we have to find out this one. So same trick will be used for 4 combine 4 plus 3. So this is 4, then the addition of these 2 is 7. So our final answer is 47. So you have to mark this when you will encounter in MCQs. Just you don't write this lengthy. Okay. If you will encounter an examination, then you have to write this one. Thank you so much, viewers. Please tap on the subscribe button.